Hi guys and welcome to Fame. And my name is Devyani. So we're going to start with a sweet dish, a dessert, because हर चीज़ की शुरुआत एक मीठे से होनी चाहिए. So we're going to start with a dessert. Panna cotta is basically a Italian dessert, or you can say a Italian pudding. So it's very easy to make and it's really simple. I'll just tell you about my ingredients. These are the pan pattas. I've taken these pan pattas because I'm going to make a pan flavored panna cotta. Then I have this Amul cream, the fresh cream that we get in the market. फिर मेरे पास है gelatin. This is 20 grams of gelatin, which we are going to use for the recipe. Then I have some sugar. Here I have some sugar. And because we are going to make a pan flavored panna cotta, so I'm using gulkan for flavoring. Okay, we're going to use gulkan for the flavoring. What else do I have? I have these fennel seeds, or you can say saunf. Okay, so we have these fennel seeds. So first I'm going to chop the pan leaves. I'm just going to take out the vein, it has. I'm going to chop it off. Just chop off the veins. Take it off. So I'm going to chop. You can see I'm just chopping these leaves. I'm going to chop them very fine. Fine, juliennes. The second thing which we can do is just tear it up. You just need to tear the pan leaves. The aroma of these pan leaves, oh my god, it's so strong. Because what we have to do is we have to grind them into a paste. So बड़ा छोटा का कोई problem नहीं है. Then we take a grinder. This I have the hand grinder. You can take a mixer. You can take anything which grinds things properly. Okay. We need to make it into a paste. So we will take the pan leaves and put it into a grinder. To this pan leaves, we will add the saunf. Because pan में saunf का flavor होता है, so we have to give this flavor in the pan. We'll add a little bit of gulkan into it. I'll use a little bit of water because I'm going to grind. You just give it a stir in between. So I'm going to take the cream and just mix it. I'm going to pour the cream inside the saucepan, and then any other flavoring which you prefer or which you like. Okay, so today pan flavored panna cotta. So what ingredients I have here? I have 200 grams of cream, or the Amul cream which we get in India very easily. So ये Amul cream हमने ले लिया है 200 grams. So this is one thing. This is one ingredient. Second, we are going to use gulkan for flavoring. Just 1 or 2 teaspoons of gulkan. Then we have used the saunf. You can use saunf powder also. I have used this saunf as it is because I have taken and made it into a paste, so it doesn't matter. So you can take it like this also. So I have taken 1 teaspoon of saunf. Then I have sugar. Now sugar depends, how sweet you prefer your dessert to be. आप ज़्यादा मीठा खाते हैं तो आप अपने टेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग 200 grams की क्रीम में जितना आपको शुगर चाहिए उतना डाल सकते हैं. वैसे I'm going to use this 200 grams of cream. I'm going to use 3 or 4 teaspoons of sugar because that is enough sweet, and I don't want my dessert to be very sweet and then you cannot eat. So the dessert should be appropriate and moderate sweet. Then I have the gelatin. This is the regular gelatin which you get in the market. So every 100 grams cream में हम लोग 20 grams of gelatin डालेंगे. So that's enough to get a dessert very good, and it becomes set. Now let's start cooking. So what we're going to do is on low temperature. Do not cook cream on high temperature because वो जल जाएगा. और cream एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपको बहुत ही lightly हीट करना होता है. एंड स्पेशली इस डिज़र्ट में हम लोगों को ज़्यादा बहुत ज़्यादा बॉईल नहीं करना है. जस्ट नीड टू मेल्ट द क्रीम सो दैट बिकम्स वेरी इवन. ओके, राइट नाउ सी इट्स वेरी स्टिफ. It's so stiff that you can put it in a spoon. See, we need to just melt it. Now I'm taking a steel bowl so that I can heat it on the induction. I'm going to put the gelatin inside it. और इसमें हम डालेंगे पानी ताकि ये bloom हो जाए. Bloom मतलब फूल जाए, gelatin फूल जाए. Just going to mix it with a spoon. It's warm and it's flowy. Now I'm going to add the sugar. Now sugar is upon my taste. Whatever taste I want, that much sugar I'm going to put. जब तक ये sugar dissolve हो जाए. Now one more thing I want to tell, that you can always write message, or you can message me or write me whatever recipes you want me to cook, or you want me to share with you people. So I am always ready. So you just ping me whatever recipe you want me to do, so that I can do it for you. Okay. अब इसके अंदर हम लोग डालेंगे जो हमने पान और सौंफ और गुलकंद और पानी को जो मिक्सचर बनाया था वो हम लोग इसमें ऐड करेंगे. So as you can see, I have this cream and the pan puree mixed together. So it's going to turn into a good green color. It's really good. It becomes very pale, greenish color, and the dessert looks very tasty. Once we've added this into it, हम लोग इसको again boil करेंगे. We're just going to boil it again on low flame, or low heat, or low power, whatever whatever you're using, or induction or a gas. So now what we have is, see, the gelatin is set. Now what we need to do is, we need to melt this also. We are going to make the panna cottas in these small silicone molds which we get in the market. These are really very easily available in the market. Now what I am going to do is lay out my little molds on a plate. So I am going to put these into the molds. Just fill it till the top. What I am going to do is, I have this gulkand. Now what I am going to do, take a knife, and gulkand is really sticky, so you need to take a knife or a fork. Just take a little part of the gulkand and put it. So here I have all the molds ready. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to share one more tip, that whenever you are going to set your desserts, you're just going to put it in the refrigerator. I'm going to wait for 2 hours. It's going to take 2 hours to set, and then demold these and then eat. So I suggest everybody to try it at home. Definitely make it, because once if you try it, and then you will always like to try it forever for your guests. Happy cooking to everybody.